Hey guys, back again today with another video. It's a bit different today. We usually do Nespresso videos, but we're at a friend's house and he has a Dolce Gusto machine. So I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you how that one works in case you've stumbled across one in a friend's house yourself and you're wondering how to use it. So the first thing he's done there is he's just set the button off and light up, and it just flashes red, and when it turns green that means it's ready to use. What we need to know on this top bar here, there's a left hand side cold switch and a right hand side hot switch. So we're going to be making a cappuccino today, so we're going to be flicking that to the right as that's a hot drink button. So that's what that does. And also these levers at the front, that lever sets how much milk will come through when you make the coffee. And if we just look at the top of the capsule, you'll see that it shows you which level to set it at. So for this one it's going to be level 2 on the machine. So that's what he's going to do now, and Tom, our family member, is just going to make it to show you how to do it. So the first thing you do is you put in the coffee capsule and set it to the right level on the lever. So he's setting that to 2, then you just set it off and that makes your coffee. As we can see, the steam coming out, it makes a nice hot coffee, does the Dolce Gusto machine. So if you like a hot coffee, then that's positive. The next thing he's going to do, he's just going to put the milk capsule in. They don't all have 2 capsules. Some of them just come with 1 and you add your own milk. But for this cappuccino one, we're setting it to level 5. And this is the milk part. And he's just going to set the bar to level 5. Set that off. And that sends the rest of the coffee, the milk through, sorry. And it really is as simple as that. That's the coffee made. Just get rid of your capsules, and that's how you use a Dolce Gusto machine to make a cappuccino coffee. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and check out our Nespresso page as well to see if you're trying to decide which machine to get, a Dolce Gusto or an Nespresso. You can compare on there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.